Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you that how you can change your profile picture on Monopoly Go. Guys, the process is very easy. You just have to follow me step by step. Please do not skip the video and watch it till the end so you do not miss any step. Let's get started with the video without wasting any time. So first you can see there's this icon of Monopoly Go on my screen. I will click it. After I click it, it brings me to this game page of my Monopoly, and then you can see there are these three lines on the top right corner of my screen. I will click them. After I click them, you can see this interface appears. Here, if I click my profile picture that is on the top of my screen, you can see this interface appears. Now, if I keep clicking my profile picture, you can see nothing is happening, but I can select any avatar from here and it will help me change my profile picture. That was something different recently. It was this recently and now I can change it to any of these. This is an easy way that I can change my profile picture, but I have limited options in this. So you have to choose out of these and then you have to click save. For example, I choose this one and then I click save. Now you can see that my profile picture has been updated, and I hope you liked this video, and if you did and it helped you out in any way, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.